I'm a chiropractor, right? I move bones. By me helping move the bones, I'm affecting the body's hormonal levels, their nerve flow, getting the body to relax better. So I may someone that comes with back pain or neck pain. I don't care about their pain initially. I go, I know you have back pain, I know you have neck pain, I know where it's coming from. I'm going to treat that, but I want you sleeping better first. I want you feeling better here first, so I know we're causing a change neurologically. Because if you cause a change neurologically, again, these hormones are dropping, the stress hormones, increasing the happy hormones, your body's going to feel better. Then you can work on stretching, exercising, and moving. But if the body is stressed, you're not going to want to move. So my job is to make sure you understand where it's coming from when you're in a stress state, a fight or flight state. Just get them out of there first by causing and injecting them, I want to say, with nerve stimulation to get those better hormones moving by causing joint motion. That makes sense? If I move joints, I'm making those nerves stimulate the better hormones, so I'm giving them a quick boost of hope. And I tell them, I'm not just a therapist, I'm not going to stretch you out, I'm not going to move things around that way. I'm going to move just the joints. That's when I move the joints, I'm going to relieve the nerve pressure, causing this to happen. Then we'll talk about once you feel like I can sleep better, I can move a little better. Then I go, okay, now we're going to add some stretching to your routine. We're going to get these to stay here, like Sylvia mentioned a second ago. By now we know motion is going to cause a better state of health, mental and physical. We're going to get that to stay this way.